All right, so now to fix that error we saw in the last one, let me run the program to show the error. So see it. So if we have show, okay, that's add, sorry, add jog, I think. So if we show, have a double, we'll still fix that later on. But the error we saw last of it not adding a new line, let me add another one. So add call someone. So if we show, we see that it's coming this way. This is the error we want to fix now. I want to fix some errors and update the program a little bit. So what we're going to be doing now is we can easily fix this by adding this to bring in the backslash. So that will fix it, but nonetheless, let me delete this out of and just save from the to-do list. But nonetheless, there are more errors that we can have in this if someone is using like add. So we want to use another function that can help us get this better. So and though we've not implemented this same method we're using here for this, for edit, so we'll just make it better. What is it? Let's edit. Yeah, and complete. So we'll just make it better and round it off here. So what we'll be doing is that we will use a method with the user action. So we can have start with. So we'll be using start with instead. So to not mix. So in case you want to add something, so it won't give us error. So we'll just go with this start with. So let it just check for ensure that if it's starting with add, then it will run this. So this will be better. So to still pick it at the beginning, so to not mix up with. So we'll be changing this. We'll not be using this in. So this if this starts with add, that's when you should pick it to still pick the first four. So for edits, and we can do this too for what's it called now, for show. Show is okay, no, show will show everything, so we don't need that for that. That's for edit now. So we'll be doing this for edit. So start with edit, then this, then we'll test it out, then we'll still add this. So user action for edit is 4, so we'll make it 5. Where is edit? Back to edit. Yeah, so that's it here. So we'll do this 5. So because we're accounting for the extra space, so 1 2 3 4 with the extra space 5. So I think this will suffice for this. So let's run it and see what we have. So we have add, sorry, okay, we should type what we have. Add meetup. So let's show and let's see what we have. Okay, so let's do edit meetup. So you can see it's asking us what do we want to edit it to be. So that will be, let's see, what do we edit it to be? Go to class. Okay, so we have an error. Okay, we're trying to convert integer to, so it's telling us invalid that we're trying to convert string. It's string because string we're using before we're giving the number. That's what we're converting to the, what's it called now? The number is what we're using to change the to-do that we have, but now we don't need that, so we'll just change the what. We'll have to convert this so that it will not be integer, we'll take text instead. So we'll see that how to do that next.